like a Benjamin. So, for example, create new real flat mode, and after that, you want to. This was the create real button. I want that. Oh.
Sean, go get that jug of juice out of the refrigerator.
Okay, I'll be back. I'll get a jug of juice. I'm recording. Well, I took it.
Hello, if you've been following my other videos, you know that I'm mainly into older and obsolete stuff. But I got a free trial of Sling TV, which has been getting a lot of hype as being the next big thing. So,
now back to the video. That's cool. Son of Corey, is that son of girl right here? There.
And her family do not spend money on, and one of them was TV things.
You buy TV things, right, Daddy? But I spent like 100 trying to make an artist where they're making up. Forgot what that big.
I called after our contract was up in January, and they said if we signed another contract, they'd knock off $5 a month. And I'm like, I'm not going to go under contract just pay $5 a month. It just wasn't worth it to me. So the Mr. and I kept going back and forth, deciding what do we do. HGTV, Food Network, channels that we all like. And so it just, at that point, we didn't
What I should say.
get rid of direct into local channels with our antenna that we have in the attic, or go over to Netflix.
Wait.
So,
Okay,
we just
that's
kind
a
of,
real
the
name.
last month, since we got out of contract, we just kind of kept going back and forth, and hated paying that bill. I mean, $95 is a lot, and I don't get to watch TV, what I like to watch on TV too often, but yet I was like, I don't want to lose some of these things. And so
Okay, I'm gonna say you win.
and it is amazing. So I'll start off with,
Clarence.
you have to have
Hey.
a Roku or
The TV I'm recording though. She can't watch right now.
Fire stick thing or box, and there was a few other things that you could put it on. But we didn't have a Roku. We had a Sony box thing that we were streaming Netflix through, and that wasn't compatible with Sling. So we ended up.
I'm sorry, it's episode.
Hi, my name is Lane Wire.
Or this new episode.
I just got delivery of Mofu channels. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Anyway, what Mofu channels
That's his mouth.
alternative to paying your high cable bill. You know, I've been spending like $93 a month on cable, and I was just like, I called them up and I say, do you have a smaller package? You know, can I get it slashed? No, it's basically that minimum package. It's like $93 a month. And so I started to look into alternatives.
Okay. So I'm going to.
A lot of the major stations are being broadcast over the air in high definition. And if you have a good antenna, which
Someone's building me like
years now, called their leaf antennas,
no Benjamin.
broadcast. Now, think about this.
Give me a second. I'll see you back.
This is why I supported them on their Kickstarter effort. Is that it also provides a keyboard so you can search for things. You can not only do set up so you can have your channels, but you can also surf the net, and if you want to hook up some service like Netflix
Okay. That's
Basically
it.
slashing that $93 down to
Dark.
next to nothing. But anyway, this is an unboxing video. I'm real excited to find out what's in this box. So let's get started.
Dark.
Okay, so like I said,
No, get dark.
the
Oak
box
wood.
is pretty small. It says 4 pounds. I ordered the bulk of the amplified it.
It's so
Everybody
funny
is right here,
and
and
cool.
something that a big change for me that I made as far as reducing my without cable. I for years was a Time Warner Cable subscriber, but they have increased my rates recently. I found the conclusion that I really didn't need them to watch the things I wanted to watch, and made some investments into getting some devices that I need to cut the cord and really save some money every month. So one of those big things that I want to talk about is the DVR that I'm using.
Yeah, you can
It's only been out for a few weeks. It's called the Channel Master DVR Plus. I'm going to do that right now. It's extremely thin profile. Let me zoom in on that. So there it is. It's only about a half an inch thick, and it's only about a foot wide. It's significantly smaller than my old DVR box. Sitting on top of it right now is my center speaker. To the left of that black square that's right next to it, that's actually an external hard drive that I bought off of Amazon to couple with the DVR Plus. Reason being is that the DVR Plus only has 16 gigabytes of internal storage. You really need external storage if you want to save more than 2 HD programs at the same time. So, well, one of the things I really like about this DVR is, for one, it's a dual tuner, meaning that I only need to two, it gives me the guide that I like. One of the things TV, but it gives me a really nice guide with the information. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the guide here. Let me zoom in on the TV here. So there's my guide. Okay, so let's go over some of the things there. Just like any other DVR, you can see, scroll down.
So I'm going to do something kind of cool.
And let's say I want to get some info.
I do. Yes.
Go get the laptop.
Okay.
Come on.
Where is it?
Living room by your brother. Oh, okay. You gotta plug it up.
Huh?
Huh? Plug it in, plug it in.
Has no one.
Turn it around. Let me see. Give me that on top of the DVDs. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, guys.
How your feet are cold?
Sorry, Daddy.
Gonna be.
I bought an arm.
You getting a haircut?
Don't try to pick my hair. Don't try to pick my hair.
What?
I said stop trying to pick my hair.
Remote control.
Remote control. Where? Okay. Those are dumb. Skin. Everyone's got enough. Aww. Continue good. Can't make it born around. That's good. Daddy, I made a bench map. Let me find a way to upload it. I made a bench map. I decided to push my bar to expand opening another week.